find the grade point average. Assume that the grade point values are 4.0 for A, 3.0 for B, and so on. Yeah, so this problem is about computing GPA, grade point average. How do we do it? So this student, let's start right here. They got, in math, they got, which was a 3-unit class, they got an A. And an A is worth 4.0, right? A is 4.0. Then in the next class, the English class, 2 units, they got a B. And a B is worth 3.0. So let's take it over here. So basically, in the math class, 3 units, 3 credits at 4.0. So that's like 4.0 plus 4.0 plus 4.0. Oh, by the way, yeah, I should back up. We're trying to find the GPA. Let me bring this back here, which is an average. It stands for grade point average, as you know. And it's an average. It's really a mean is what it is, which means you need to add up the total and divide by n, which is where n is the number of units or credits. And this is the total of all grade points. So we got to add up all grade points. So how do we find the total of all grade points? Well, again, in the math class, three credits at 4.0. So that's 4.0 plus 4.0 plus 4.0. That's the 3 credits of math. And then the 2 credits of English at 3.0. 3.0, 3.0. That's the 2 credits from English. And next will come the 5 units of physics B, 3.0. So 3.0, 3.0, 3.0, 3.0, and 3.0. That's 5 units for physics. Finally, 2 units of German at C, which is 2.0. So plus 2.0 plus 2.0, that's 2 credits. And then we're going to divide all of that by the number of credits. How many credits? If you add this up, 10, they're taking 12 units. 3 and 2 is 5, and 5 is 10, and 2 is 12. 12 units total. So in other words, the easy way to do this would have been to multiply 3 credits at 4.0, so 3 times 4.0, plus 2 times 3.0, plus 5, this is a 5 up here, 5 times 3.0, plus 2 times 2.0. And then divide all that by 12. So you see, to figure GPA, it's a grade point average. It's the average grade you got in all your classes put together. You basically just multiply the number of credits times the grade, because 3 units of math at a 4.0 is 4.0 added 3 times. In other words, 3 times 4.0, etc. So if we do all that, on the top, I'm going to use my calculator up there on the top, and I'm getting 37 divided by 12, and that's coming out 3.08, rounded to 2 places. 3.08, that's the grade point average. That's the average grade, just over a B, just barely above a 3.0 a B, is the average grade for that student that semester based on the different units they took and the grades they got in those classes. That's a grade point average. That's how your grade point average is calculated.